Hello, fly babies. Hello, patrons. Hello, lions. You're all my lions. That means that you are living in your new strength. I'm going to be making a brand new video every week, and it's our Patreon review to tell you what's on the videos for the last week. So let's go over it. And so you'll know what you, if you are a patron, what you've missed. If you're not a patron, what you might like to start looking at. On Monday, the video is called Mirror versus Measure, and it's about comparing yourself to others. And that's a good one. I got a lot of good comments on that one. The second one was your morning routine. I just thought I'd put one out there for you. I thought I had one in Patreon and I didn't. So I just put out the general morning routine for you, so you always have a place to look if you can't remember. It's right there, along with all the hundreds of other videos that I've made. On Wednesday, the name of the video is What's in Your Freezer? It's about freezer cooking and the convenience and how smart it is to do that. So freezer cooking. On Thursday, Magic Mirror, and it's about how you talk to yourself. And that is Magic Mirror. That's a fun one. And then on Friday, it's called Lists, Planners, and Calendars, because I get a lot of questions about how to use lists along with your planner and calendar. So that's what that one's about. All right, so I just thought I'd let you know what's out there on Patreon. If you're not a Patreon member, it is $5 a month. You get 5 videos like that every week. So some weeks, some months have more weeks than others or more days than others, but in general, you get 20 to 21 videos a month. And I think it's well worth it. They are advertisement free. And I really, really love my patrons, and I love the community that we're building there. So I wish that if you haven't joined, you might come over and see if you like it. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.